Makar Sankranti, this festival?
Yes, I
How do you
celebrate.
how do you celebrate this Makar Sankranti? What do you do? What kind of the rituals, an event, function that you do? Tell me.
Okay, so about that, I at I wake up and take bath, take bath. Then I go to worship and with my family and worship God. Then we have a ritual that we touch coin,
Mhm.
coin and
Coin,
rice.
yeah, rice, coin.
So when we touch that and we eat sweets like tilkut, we eat, and then I go to play. I go to play with my friends. I make kites and then I fly them.
Okay.
That's how I celebrate my Makar Sankranti, and at this festival we at this festival, this is my favorite festival, most of the favorite festival it comes. So because I love to fly kites, so it is about flying kites only, so that's all.
So today, did you fly kites or not?
Yes.
Today. Okay, that's great. So I think from your apartment, your buildings, many children, they also did the same with you, or you were alone on the terrace?
No, I fly kites with my friends, with my all apartment friends.
Oh, great. So I think this is the festival that you celebrate. Okay, and what about the changing of the weather and seasons? Can you say something? The beginning of the summer season or the winter season? What actually this is? Tell me.
At a winter season, when I gone to my terrace, it was all foggy type and it was really cold. So it comes in the cold weather. It comes in the winter.
Okay. And do you think things like after this today and the month when this month is going to finish, after that the beginning of the summer season will begin?
It will begin in the month of April.
Okay, in the month of
No,
April.
no,
Mhm.
I think June.
In the month of June. Okay,
Yes, June.
yeah, I think it differs from like place to place. There are many places in our India, like in Mumbai, where suppose I am here in Mumbai, we don't feel such kind of the weather, and throughout a year, we are having the same like sensation, same feeling. No too much cold, not less than 20 degree. Okay, the chilled. We don't like wear the sweaters, the coats. We don't use the blankets in the night. Understand, no? So because we are here living at the bank of the sea, okay, the coastal area. So in our India, there are many coastal area like Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. So these metro city, they don't, these cities, they don't have the same, like too much weather changing sensation and the feeling. But the other
Oh,
part, like in the part of North India, like where we stay, it is really in the month of January and December, it's a chilling sensation of the cold. People have their different attire. Okay, you can see it means you are now here wearing the sweaters, jackets, sweaters, and a lot of things that they cover their full body. They just keep their body so warm.
yes.
Okay, so this was the timing that, and this was the conversation discussion we did about this festival. Well, so how many festivals do you celebrate in a year? Do you remember?
Do I have to name them or I have to tell
Yeah,
their names?
you have to tell the names. I would like to ask you how many festivals do you remember that you celebrate in a year? Because today it's Makar Sankranti. Let me see how well that you have been speaking and you remember. Tell me. Each month, how you are going for the celebration. Tell me.
So first I celebrated first Makar Sankranti, then
Hmm.
then Durga Puja, then Diwali, then Kartik Puja.
What
Five
about Holi
festivals.
and Holi?
Holi.
Yeah, I think the Holi is also one of the important festivals for Hindus.
No, I told that. I told that in the
Oh,
second.
okay, you told in the second means if you have to, and do you know it means how this is the Republic Day that is going to be there after 10 days? So how do you celebrate Republic Day? Tell me.
Yeah, okay. Republic Day, Independence Day. In Republic Day, we are invited in the schools like wearing white kurtis, and we go then host flag, and in the red fort our president come and select 25 children, so the 25 children get bravery award. So that, and they host a flag, and the children get bravery award. That's how we celebrate Republic Day.
Okay. Today I would try to teach you how to write a paragraph and how to speak with a proper manner. Okay. If I ask you how do you celebrate this Republic Day? So when you start speaking, there must be a topic sentence. You can write it down. What is the best format of paragraph writing? Okay.
Means what is the best format of paragraph writing?
Yes. Do you learn this in your school? Do you learn? I'm asking you. Tell me.
No, I haven't learned.
Okay. I will show you some things to you. This
Okay.
one. Paragraph writing. See, whenever you have to speak something about a topic, what is it written? Tell me. Speak it. This one. Can
Okay.
you?
Can you repeat?
I'm asking you. Can you read this one? I have shared my computer screen. Okay. I think I have not shared me. Let me share my computer screen first.
I can't see your shared computer.
Well, wait. Can you see right now? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
What is this is what it written. What skills? Read
But
this.
that shared screen is paused. Yes, yes. What skills does paragraph writing develop in children?
Okay. So when you have to write down one paragraph, so you have to develop some of the skills. You write this, read this properly, so that I will explain.
Okay. Paragraph. Can you zoom
Hmm.
a bit?
This is
Can you zoom a
exactly.
bit because I can't see? Paragraph. Paragraph writing for kids is the baby version of essay writing. It is a great way to get children excited about writing. They can gradually increase the paragraph size and inch towards writing longer formats.
You know, this is the paragraph writing. It's a small version of the essay writing. Means suppose one example here I would like to give you. If I say that I and my friend danced very well yesterday. So I had given some information, but information is not so clear. If I say in the very first line, yesterday I celebrated my birthday. Okay, the first, this is called topic sentence. And then supporting detailed sentence is, yesterday I cut cake and my friends danced very well. So these are the details. But the topic sentence, until you speak about the introduction, introductory topic sentence, the things will not be clear. Suppose I have to say that uh, January I will eat sweets. Okay, I will take my bravery award. Rather than starting with, you can say 26th January is considered as Republic Day in our India. Okay, the first is called topic sentence. Means you have to learn how to focus. You can see this focus. Now I will tell you what is the structure. When you have to speak about anything, about any topic, first you have to say what is, when it is, where it is, why, and how. If I ask you, tell about something, Republic Day,
Okay.
so first line will be Republic Day is celebrated in our India on 26th of January every year. This is the what and where also.
Like it is a topic sentence
Yeah, this is called
which tells
topic.
about the topic.
Yes. Whenever you have to write down the first line of the paragraph, the first you have to introduce the topic. That is called topic sentence. Suppose you you had your birthday
Yes.
previous month and you have to share. I will ask you, if I ask you, tell me about your birthday. You should not start my many people came uh, and at my home and they ate delicious teas. So this is the information. You should start something in the beginning of the topic sentence. How can you start with the topic sentence? If I ask you, tell me about the last birthday.
Okay. So my birthday was
Your birthday.
last month, and I celebrated with a big joy. So many people came in my house.
Wait,
Then
wait,
I
wait, wait. Look, some information is still incomplete. You can say, if I have to ask you, tell me about the last time you celebrated your birthday. You start with this line, कि I celebrate my birthday on 26th of August every year. And I celebrated it previous month with full of joy and happiness with my family. This is the complete information.
okay.
This is a topic sentence, and then you can start speaking about something, your supporting details, the same thing that you have to write it down.
Okay.
Now, if I ask you, tell me about your birthday celebration. How did you enjoy your birthday? You celebrate. Tell me.
Okay. My birthday my birthday is celebrated at 22nd March, and I celebrate with lots of joy and happiness with my family, with my friends, with my all apartment friends and all. And
Good.
I cut.
Wait. This is called, whatever the first line you have to speak. This is, you introduced your topic sentence, and whatever you are going to speak, that is called this one. You see this, correct? This picture. The first one is topic sentence. Okay. Suppose if you eat one burger, there are a lot of things inside. So the other things they are called body paragraph, yeah, body lines, and where you can add some one details, this details number two, details number three, details number four. So what are the so topic sentence was like I celebrate my birthday on 22nd of March every year with my family and with a lot of joy and happiness. This year I also celebrated my birthday with my family at my home, which is located in Patna in Bihar. You can see this is the introduction. Now you have to start with the some details. On this day, my father invited many people. I also invited my friends from this compartment. My mom is like this. Now you have to talk. My mom cooked delicious food. My uncle came at my home and he decorated. This is called detail 1, detail 2, detail 3. And when you have to complete all the things at the end, you should not leave it. You have to say, and overall, it was one of the fantastic moment for me, for myself, and I enjoyed a lot. This was the conclusion.
Yes. And the
So let
last is closing sentence, like how to close.
yeah. So
I
last thing
celebrated my birthday.
means overall, it was one of the fantastic moment for me, and I would like to remember this for a longer period. So this is also a last line conclusion. I was quite happy on that day. That is called conclusion. This is you have to remember these three: introduction, body, paragraph. So write down in the chat box what is the format of a paragraph. The first one is introduction. You write down this one, topic sentence. This is called supporting details one. Yummy means supporting details two, supporting details three, supporting details four. And the last one is closing sentence. Topic sentence, closing sentence. And these are the thing that is called body. Understood?
Yes, I understood. First introduction. Let me write.
Yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for it because if you write now, it will be clear. See, this is
Okay.
have you written?
Yes, I have written.
Have you sent it to me? Let me see.
Yes, I have sent.
Introduction, body, conclusion. That's great. Okay. Now I would give you some more details. You can read this one.
Yes, I can.
Use the above given burger method to induct children. This is kind of the
Okay.
introduction, conclusion. Now I would like to ask you this is, see, my
My
birthday party.
birthday party. Okay,
So
I'm reading.
reading.
Yesterday was my birthday. My family gave me the best party. All my friends and cousins had come home. There was a magician who showed a school magic tricks. We played many games and all my friends won prizes. I got big blue cake with many candies on top. My father made pasta and mother made samosas. I helped them serve food and cake for all my friends. I got many gifts. I was very happy.
So this is the paragraph writing a small introduction. Okay, the same thing. Agar if I have to ask you, right now at this time. Write down one paragraph about your mother. It's your class work. Take you 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Write down one paragraph on your mother. Mother means the first topic sentence. You how to start? Let me see. Do not write. Speak to me. If you have to
Okay.
start, the topic I have given mother. So how you start?
Okay.
I'm asking you if I have to give you one topic, what topic to speak about mother. So how to start? What could be the best topic sentence?
Okay. Can I prepare like how to speak? Give me 2 minutes. I will prepare.
Okay, I'm giving you. Let me. I will see what is the best topic that you have been writing. Okay, okay, I have given. Take time.
Okay. Okay, I prepared.
Yes, 1 minute. I'm ready to listen. Would you like to write or would you like to speak? Tell me.
Okay. So, mother is very important for us. She is the first teacher. She is the first doctor, and she is very important for us. And if you want to know the value of your
Wait,
mother, try to
wait. I'm asking you to write it down. Can you type it faster?
okay. I
Otherwise,
can type.
so that I will make some changes, some correction. And good that you have started very good. So here I will come on, type it.
Okay, I'm typing.
You have sent it? Have you written?
Yes, I've written.
Send it to me. Mother is very important for us. She's our first teacher, first doctor. If you want to know the importance of mother, try to stay without her. You will be realizing she fights for us. She forgets her dream, what she forget of what she wants to do in her life. Look, you started with completely she, no? So you have to also use their she. She gives full life to us. So it's our work to be something and feel your mom proud. Feel, no? Feel your mom proud. She will be very happy. Look, you need to use some word like but, also, in fact, and but.